The meaning of the movie. Author Orpheus on Reading for Minutes, published on 23.10. 2021, updated on 23.10. 2021. The movie, Mikhailov Method, a medical drama, forcing viewers to take a different look at the life of doctors. In the center of the series, the hero, who after several years returns to his hometown. This step was not easy for him. Once the character has already left this place. Then there was an event that he would like to forget more than anything else in the world. The main character of the movie can be called a doctor from God. This genius is able to quickly make decisions even in non-standard situations. But there is something repulsive in the appearance of the character. This is his character. The creators of the series, Mikhailov Method, emphasize the viewer's attention to the fact that in a person cannot be everything perfect. Everyone is endowed with strong and weak character traits. And a highly qualified specialist became extremely difficult to find a common language with the people who surrounded him. A talented doctor, a gifted surgeon has learned all the subtleties of his difficult profession. He has long since reached a high level in his work, however, he remains faithful to his small town of Arkadyevsk. The character found in the closest person, Mom, the first signs of a serious illness. The hero cannot abandon his parent. The doctor gave himself the word to make every effort to help his mother. The personal life of the character also leaves much to be desired. The motion picture describes in detail the relationship of the hero with his relatives. Guilt, resentment, anger, dissatisfaction. The character is familiar with the whole spectrum of feelings of an ordinary person. The hero gets a job in the city hospital. But he is not ready to perform his duties without complaint, because his views on the conduct of activities differ from the views of the head of the department. The character almost immediately begins to directly show his discontent, tries to impose his opinion, to introduce his ideas. The series describes rare and severe cases. The situations are extraordinary. They require a quick response from medical personnel, because human lives are at stake. The main character never remains in the shadows. He is accustomed to taking responsibility for himself. He is not frightened by complex and neglected cases. The character does not transfer heavy patients to other departments. The surgeon is guided by the rule, who, if not me? This is what his method consists in. That is why he is respected by colleagues and patients. Each series of the motion picture is a separate story. An accident, an insidious disease, previously unknown symptoms. Make a diagnosis quickly and accurately. To help comes a diagnostician from God, Maxim Mikhailov. The hero is not a wizard or a magician. He is not endowed with any superpowers. He simply loves what he does. The character did not just devote his life to medicine. Sometimes his methods of treatment cause bewilderment on the faces of colleagues. But the doctor is confident in himself and his actions. It is possible not to accept and understand his methods of diagnosis. Only it is impossible not to notice the excellent results of his labor. And most importantly, grateful patients, to whom he saved lives. The series, Mikhailov Method, keeps the viewer in suspense thanks to a well-thought-out script, brilliant play of the cast. Each patient becomes like a native person. Sharp movie touches on social problems familiar to many. The screen shows a provincial hospital, in which doctors often face a shortage of drugs. Equipment goes out of order. Medical staff sometimes hold on from the last strength. Maxim Mikhailov is an example of willpower, perseverance, confidence. The doctor has too many problems in his personal life, however, he tries not to transfer them to his professional activities. The movie mentions corruption, and fear for his career, and various social sores. However, human life always remains in the foreground. The activity of a doctor is connected with a constant struggle. A doctor must always be ready for any development of events. Medicine has become a vocation for Maxim Mikhailov. Only will he be able to establish relations with the closest and dearest people? While this is a big question, the answer to which the creators of the series are in no hurry to inform the audience.